guys, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup and I figured why not tell you guys what my Christmas wish list is while I do my makeup. Please excuse any banging or people that you hear. I've decided to film this on a day when we have people working in the house, which is a dumb idea. So you're probably gonna hear knocking, that's why I'm wearing earphones, so that hopefully you can't hear it as much. But I'm gonna continue with my makeup and then I can tell you guys what my wish list is. I don't think my earphones are doing the knocking any justice. I'm just gonna try and cut out any parts that have the knocking so that you guys don't have to suffer through it with me. I am starting off my makeup with a primer. I usually don't use primer, but I've been using this one and I think that it makes my makeup stay on a lot longer than usual. So I'm using the MAC one. So for those of you that don't know, it was only my birthday last week, so what I want for Christmas is kind of the leftovers of what I didn't get for my birthday. This year my list is kind of boring, it's kind of short. I don't know why. This year I just don't really want anything. But the first thing on my list is stuff for my bathroom. So this here is my bathroom and I need just like toilet roll holder, towel holders, organisers, and now my dog is screaming. I give up trying to film a fucking video in this house. But yeah, so I want to get like just organising stuff for my bathroom because it's always a mess in there and I really want pink stuff. It's really hard to find like pink bathroom accessories for some reason. Number one tips for eyebrows is literally just do them as shit as possible and then just pray that your concealer and makeup remover will shape them nicely. That's kind of just what I do. So I've actually been using a new foundation recently and I've been using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, but I actually mix this with my Fenty, and then for concealer I've been mixing L'Oreal with my MAC, and I don't know why, but I just love the combination of all of these together. I guess I've just kind of found my perfect foundation. Okay, the main thing on my wish list is the named collective tracksuit. So they do two different kinds of tracksuits. I can't remember the name of them. I think one of them is called Acid and then the other one is like a pink monogram kind of print. Of course those are both of the rare sets. They're really hard to find. I found a couple but they weren't my size, and like there's one that's for sale that's my size but it's like £300. And I mean, I probably could afford to buy it, but I don't know if I like it that much to spend that amount of money on it, and for something like that I'd have to wear it all the time in order to spend £300 on a tracksuit. I truly apologise if there is a lot of cuts. I really don't want the banging to get annoying and to put anyone off, so I'm trying to cut out any parts with the banging. So if it seems really choppy, that is why. I'll put some pictures up of it if you've never seen it before, but I just think it's really, really cute. They do like different ones with teddy bears and stuff, but the monogram ones, they just have my heart. I think that they're really cute, but I don't know which one I prefer, so that's why I don't want to spend a shit ton of money on it. I'm hoping that one will just come up, it will be cheap, and I can grab it really quickly because they sell out so fucking quick on Depop. Also, a life hack, if you're trying to contour your nose and your brush is too thick, I've been putting like a little hairpin and it just like thins it out, but it's kind of awkward when you're trying to get into places. But fuck the fucking housework, it's so loud. I'm using the Kylie Jenner blush. It's not as bright as I would like it, but it has a cute hint. I swear to God, every time I talk they bang, and every time I stop it's quiet. So I think I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because it's just getting ridiculously loud. I don't think I can film when it's like this, but I'll still show you guys what I'm doing for my makeup and talk you through, and then I can finish what's on my fucking wish list. Next thing on my wish list is one of those little mini suitcases. You know when you go to London and you see all of the business women and businessmen with their suitcases, because it is so impossible to bring a massive luggage bag when you're traveling. It's so big, it's so bulky, and I learned this when I stayed in a hotel for my birthday. Me and my friend were like, dead ass, we need to get mini suitcases. And I love these ones. I'm going to put some pictures up so that you can see. I just think these are so adorable. They're perfect for 1 or 2 nights. I love them. I definitely would like a Playboy one or something, but my Playboy one is too big. So this is cute, and I feel like this is also a really good gift. Okay, I think most of the banging has stopped, thank God, so we can carry on. Now there is one thing I want so fucking bad. I'm gonna put a picture of it. I found it on Auto Trader, and I know it's something that I can't get for Christmas, and I can't really get at my age anyway, but you guys have no idea how badly I want this car. Like, how fucking cute is it? I can't. Like, it's pink, it's just perfect, it's the only one in the UK, and the only reason I've got my driving license is so that I can buy cars like this and drive them. I love my Mini, but it's not as cute as this, and this is what I'm aiming towards. This is the whole reason why I'm getting my test. But I can't get it because I'm not allowed. No, but it's so fucking cute. I just realised I can't talk when I'm overlining my lips. How fucking stupid. I have a little bit of an update. I don't know if I ever said on my YouTube, but I actually had a job. I'm not going to say where, but it was at a beauty shop, quite a big chain beauty shop in the UK, and I quit last week just before my birthday because it was just too much for me, really. I do miss it. I wish I didn't have to quit, but I didn't really have a choice when it came down to it. But yeah, that was a fun experience. That's why I now have more time for YouTube and for the content that I'm posting, which is really fun. Of course, I have the eyelashes that are going to be out for my business soon, which is really exciting. I can't wait to release them. I hope that you guys like them. But yeah, my wish list is kind of small, so that's kind of it, but I'm gonna finish off my makeup. Real quick, I really want to show you guys these new eyelashes that will be out on my business Pussy Bags very soon. I absolutely love these. There is multiple different styles that will be coming out. This is the first time that I've used them, and I absolutely love them. I really cannot wait to sell these. How cute are these eyelashes? They are absolutely adorable. I love these. These will be on my website soon. I don't have a release date yet, but it depends when you guys want them. If you guys want them before Christmas or after Christmas, but I absolutely love them. This is the first ever time that I have tried them. I've added some mascara to them, which I don't usually do, but I thought I'll see how they look with mascara as well. And I really like these. I could literally fly away. But yeah, I want you guys to comment what your wish list is, and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit now. How adorable is this outfit? This outfit is from Dolls Kill. It's their Halloween collection. This is a Lil Bo Peep costume. The shoes are also from Sugar Thrills. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Stay tuned because I'm also filming another fun video where I decorate my room for Christmas. I'm really in the Christmas spirit. Let me know what is on your Christmas wish list. What is the #1 thing that you would do anything for? Make sure to check out my business Pussy Bags, check out some eyelashes. I also have another couple of styles that you can see, and I also do the bundles as well, so I'm really excited to see those. The more hype that they get, the earlier that I will release them. And make sure that you sub. I will leave my link tree in the description. Follow all of my socials. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the Christmas spirit.